Something that I've done to improve the quality of my stream is enable viewers to control my stream directly by using channel points. My viewers are able to redeem channel point rewards in order to trigger cool effects, for example enabling my Bongo Cat webcam or making a dramatic zoom effect. In this video I'm going to teach you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too for your stream and for free. Before I get started, I live stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3:30 Eastern Time, so if you have any questions about the video you can feel free to ask them there while I'm live. Anyways, let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go down in the description and open both of the links. One of the links will be OBS WebSocket and the other will be Leonborn. On OBS WebSocket, you want to go to download and it will bring you to a GitHub page. Simply just scroll down to the bottom and press Windows installer.exe. Then go to Leonborn and do the same thing. So once you have downloaded both of the files, you're just going to click on OBS WebSocket and it'll open the installer. It's going to ask you for an admin prompt. Just simply click yes and then press next, next, yes, next, and then press install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again, but you would just press install and then press finish once you're done. Again, make sure that you have OBS closed when you install it. Then for Leonborn, you're going to want to just right click on the zip file and press extract all. Press extract and this will just create another folder with the same information but uncompressed. Once it's done extracting, double click on the folder and here you're going to see a lot of folders. What we're interested in are two things. This TLS transmitter.html and Leonborn receiver PC. So before we open anything, you're going to go to OBS and you're going to make sure of two things. So one, go to tools and then go to WebSocket server settings and make sure that the server port says 4444. This is very important or else Leonborn will not work. Press OK. Then you're going to want to create a source called TLS transmitter. This is going to be a browser source, just call it TSL transmitter. It doesn't have to be accurate, just name it something but where you know what it will be. Check the local file box, press browse, and go to wherever you have your Leonborn folder saved. Then there's going to be this file, tlstransmitter.html. Select it, press open, and that's about it in OBS. You want to press OK, and then you can hide it and just never see it again. Put it at the bottom. You can put it in a scene that you'll never use. It just needs to be running in OBS. I do not know why, but it has to. Now you're done in OBS. So we're going to go back to our folder Leonborn. Simply run the receiver folder and then run the Leonborn receiver.exe. It's going to give you a prompt about Windows Defender. Just press more info and press run anyways. This is because the program isn't commonly run and it's not signed by the developer, so Windows doesn't know that it's a good program. It's going to ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. Just press no. And you're going to have a lot of options. Most of these you shouldn't change unless you exactly know what you're doing, but just press auto connect to OBS, auto connect to Twitch, and press accept, and you should be golden. Then press connect to OBS, and if you've done everything correctly, there should be a notification, and it should say all OBS data have been fetched. Very good grammar, I know. Then you're going to want to link your Twitch. Just press the link your Twitch button. If it asks you for an admin prompt, just press allow. And then press open URL. This is going to ask you to authenticate with Twitch. Once you have done that, simply go back to Leonborn. And once you have connected your Twitch, simply press connect to Twitch and it should be all set up. So now it should work perfectly, but you actually want to do something with it. In this video, I'm just going to teach you how to make your chat and your stream for you. So what you want to do is you want to press add new deck and then click on it. And here you're going to get a grid. Simply name it whatever you want. You just call it like Twitch or something. Then click on a button and press create blank button. You're going to want to call this end stream or whatever you're going to be doing. Then right click on the button and press add commands. This will bring you a prompt and you can press the plus sign here to just do any command that you want. So for us, we're interested in stream. And here we can do stop streaming. So with this, once this button is activated, then the stream will just stop. You can also right click on it again and press add Twitch triggers. Then press the plus button You can do bits, subs, gifted subs, point redeem, host, raid, chat message, extensions even, but we're interested in point redeem. And then here you have to type in the exact name of the channel reward. If you mistype it at all, even capitalization, it will not work. So make sure that you type it perfectly. So for us, we would do end stream, and then press done. Then press done over here for your changes to save and apply. And once you're back in this screen, you are golden. So now if someone were to go and redeem the channel reward, your stream would just end on the spot. The only thing you have to make sure, though, is that Leonborn is open while you have OBS running or you want to actually use your channel rewards. I would simply right-click on your taskbar and press pin so that you can open it whenever you need. If you found it helpful or informative, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Again, I am live on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 3:30 Eastern Time. Links are in the description, and I really hope to see you there.